Hello, my name is Abby with Tuxedo Bird Creations. Thank you for joining me today and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do the iris stitch. Before we begin, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to be notified of new patterns and stitch tutorials on my website, please feel free to subscribe to my newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com, where you can find all of my patterns as well as my stitch library that is growing weekly with a new stitch added every Tuesday on Stitch Tutorial Tuesday. The iris stitch is a holey stitch. It's very lacy and pretty. It's a very simple stitch as well. You can use this for table runners or fancy placemats, headbands, gloves, anything like that that would you would want a fancy little touch to. To begin this stitch, we will be chaining in multiples of 4 plus 1 at the end. So for this tutorial, I will be chaining a total of 17. Go ahead and chain as many as you would like. You can go ahead and pause the video and meet me when you're done. I have my chain of 17. So to start row 1, we are going to be working in the 5th chain from the hook. So the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will be double crocheting in this 5th chain from the hook. And in the same chain, we're going to double crochet again. We're going to chain 1. And then we're going to double crochet into that same chain 2 more times. And that is going to be your little cluster stitch for each stitch that you make is 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. From here we skip the next 3 chains, and in the 4th chain we do the same thing. So we're going to double crochet, double crochet again into the same chain, chain 1, double crochet 2 more times, and then skip the next 3 chains and then do this again. So double crochet, oops, try that again, double crochet, double crochet again, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. So for the very last one in your chain, you're going to be skipping the next 3, and in the very last chain here, you just put 1 double crochet to end the row. Chain 3 and turn your work. For row 2, we will be working in each of the chain spaces in between the 2 double crochets on either side that we just worked in the row before. So we have our chain 3 here. We're going to go ahead and double crochet into this first chain space between the 2 double crochets on either side. You're going to double crochet into that same chain space again, chain 1, and double crochet 2 more times. Then we're going to skip this section here, which is 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And in that next chain space in between the 2 double crochets and 2 double crochets, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet 2 more times. Oops. And that creates your iris stitch. So you do that for the length of the row. So I have 1 more, so I'll just go ahead and chain or double crochet into that chain space twice, chain 1, and 2 more times. So 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 more double crochets. And to end the row, you would just be putting 1 double crochet into this chain space here, and that will end the row. So you're always ending with 1 double crochet at the end in that chain space. So that's pretty much it. It's a 1 row repeat from there. So you would chain 3 again, turn your work, and in each of the chain spaces for the little iris here, you would be doing the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. It's a fairly easy stitch, but it makes such a lovely little pattern here that looks flowery and lacy and beautiful. I'd love to hear what you would use this stitch for in the comments. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial. And again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to stay updated, sign up for my weekly newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com. Happy hooking!